Very good morning to all. In yesterday class, we have seen about the graphs and terminology of the graphs. Today, we're gonna see about spanning tree. For last class videos, you can able to follow my YouTube channel Vikram Nirgatti. Subscribe to it and click on bell icon so that you will get a notification. Spanning tree. Let me draw a graph which has some vertices and has some edges. The names of vertices are like A, B, C, D, E. So this graph has some graph G has the vertices and the edges. The vertices what we having here is A, B, C, D, E, and the edges what we have here is AB, AC, BD, BE, CD, DE. These are the edges we have in this spanning tree. In this graph. Now I want to draw the spanning tree for this graph. So to draw the spanning tree for this graph, we need to know what is a spanning tree. What are the properties of the spanning tree? Let me say the properties of the spanning tree. Spanning tree should consist all the vertices in graph G, and second one is no cycle should be there or no loop should be there in the graph G. That may be graph G1. In a graph G as shown in the above figure, we can able to draw the different spanning trees. So what is the spanning tree should consist means all vertices of graph G should be there and no cycles in that graph should be there. Let me draw the spanning tree for the graph above. Let me draw here so that the graph will be here. I am drawing the spanning tree for this graph. So each and every vertex should be here. I am putting the vertices. Okay. So all vertices here. So AB, if I introduce AB, you can introduce BE edge as well, AC edge and CD edge. This is a spanning tree. This is a spanning tree 1. There is no cycles and each and every node is there. And let me draw one more spanning tree. I have A, B, C, D, E graph, and now let me draw like this. This is also a spanning tree 2. Now let me draw other thing. I should be vertices here. So this is also a spanning tree. And let me draw other spanning tree. These vertices should be there. So this is also a spanning tree. These are all the vertices. So if you see this all vertices means every node in a graph G is existing but no cycles is there. So this is called a spanning tree. So what we can say here, a graph G can have more than one spanning tree. More than one spanning tree. That's what we can say in this graph. So this is a spanning tree. Now let me say one more example for this spanning tree. Now I have a graph A, B, C. This is a graph G1. I have 4 vertices here. Now for the spanning trees for this graph may be like this. A, B, C, D is there, and one may be like this. A, B, C, D is there. Another may be like this. A, B, C, D. So how many still is existing here? This is done, and all the sides has done. One more thing may be like this one. A, B, C, D. Like this we have more than one spanning trees for this graph G1. So this is a spanning tree. So if you want to know about what is a tree and what is a graph and terminologies of the graphs, you can visit my YouTube channel, Vikram Nirgatti. This is for the class today. I want you to draw your own graph and you to draw the different spanning trees for this class. Thank you. See you in next class. Bye.